Honorable Babu Owino, what did you just say? Honorable Babu Owino, I order you out of the chamber. I order you out of the chamber. Out of the chamber. Babu Owino, I order you out of the chamber. I order you out of the chamber. Honorable Babu Owino, I order you out of the chamber. We need mature debate here. Honorable Babu Owino, out of the chamber. Sergeant at Arms. Out. Out. Out of the chamber. Babu Owino, out of the chamber. Honorable Babu Owino, out. Out. Honorable Abdul Karim. Honorable Abdul Karim. Out. Honorable Abdul Karim. Honorable, let him go out. Let him leave the chamber. Out of the chamber. Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms. No. Out. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. And Honorable Chen Chonga. Honorable Ken Chonga. Honorable Ken Chonga. It is also disorderly. Honorable Babu Owino. You know, out. Honorable, you know, honorable members, it will not change. It will not change. It will not change. Who feel like they can take seats? Take seats. Those who feel like they can take seats, you can take your seats. Honor members, these are matters that they are not new. You know, fortunately, we have seen this before, and it does not even in any way cause any anxiety. So we deal with it in the appropriate manner. But that's such at times you can resume your places. My order for Babu Owino to leave the house, the chamber, has not been vacated. But it is a case that the Honorable Babu Owino has, with the help of some members, refused to leave the chamber. Honor members. No. Honor members. I know, I know the rules of the House. In a situation of this nature, let me read to you, standing order number 112. Standing order number 112 provides as follows. In the event of grave disorder arising in the House, the Speaker may adjourn the House forthwith or suspend any sitting for a period to be determined by him or her. In the event of grave disorder arising in the committee of the whole House, the Speaker shall resume the chair forthwith. In the present circumstances, honourable members, I deem that there is grave disorder. We are not able to continue. Honourable members, when the Speaker's order is being disobeyed and the people assisting in that are members, other members, honourable members, that is grave disorder. We cannot continue with the sitting. So, honourable members, I have seen this before, and therefore, the member for Kilifi South, Honourable Ken Chonga, I'm on my feet, Honourable Chonga. It has the tail end of the 12th Parliament, and I'm surprised that this Honourable Chonga. Now, because you are among the people who are assisting in the creation of this disorder, surely you are the least that should even be given a chance to say anything, because you shouldn't even be here. So, honourable members, applying the provisional standing order 112, the time being 13 minutes after 5 p.m. The proceedings of today are adjourned. The House will resume on Tuesday, 10th of May, 2022 at 2:30 p.m.